Hello everyone and welcome to another Google Tag Manager tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to verify that your Google Tag Manager is working and it is installed correctly in your website. It is extremely easy. We're going to go straight to the point. Before we do that, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. It helps tremendously to create new content, so thank you very much in advance. And let's get started. Option number one, you are going to use the Tag Assistant, meaning you are going to go to the Chrome store. You are going to find the Tag Assistant powered by Google. You are going to install the Tag Assistant in your Google Chrome. Then you're going to go to your website. You are going to open the extensions. You're going to click your Tag Assistant, and you are going to check whether the Google Tag Manager can be found in the back of your website. So what you need to do is, if this tracking code here under the Google Tag Manager logo is the same with this ID basically. So if this ID that you see here in the Tag Assistant under Google Tag Manager matches the ID here in your Google Tag Manager interface. And if this is the case, it means that the Google Tag Manager is detected and is working properly. This is option number one. Now, option number two, you are going to come here to Google Tag Manager. You are going to click on Preview here on top right-hand side. And once you click on Preview, you are going to copy your website's homepage here. You are going to paste it here in the Tag Assistant in this box. You are going to click Connect. And now what is going to happen is that a new tab is going to open in your Google Chrome. So it's going to be your website. And here it should say Tag Assistant Connected. And you will see the Tag Assistant here in a separate tab. So if it says here that the Tag Assistant is connected, and then you also have the Tag Assistant tab, and also the ID here matches with the ID of your Google Tag Manager, it means that everything is working properly and you are golden, you are good to go. That's it for this video. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and have a great day in any time zone. Bye everyone.